Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to change skin in Minecraft. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Minecraft skins on Google and go to the website minecraftskins.com, also known as the Skindex. Browse through the wide variety of skins available or search for a specific one you like. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see options like Upload to Minecraft.net, Download, Wardrobe, and Edit Skin. If you want to customize it, choose Edit Skin to open the editor. You can change colors or add shapes. When you're done, or if you prefer the original, click Download. The skin will be saved as a small image file in your Downloads folder. Now reopen the Minecraft launcher. Go to the Skins tab. Click New Skin, name it, and choose between the Classic or Slim model. Then click Browse, and select the downloaded skin file. Once selected, click Save and Use. Launch Minecraft again, and your new skin will be active. It's that easy to switch things up and personalize your character. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.